Alright guys, Mr. D's misaligned here. We're going to be bringing you Cycle 1 beginner grabs. Alright, I have 3 of them to cover all of them. Before we start, we need to bow to our partner. Right, so you face your partner, feet together, hands by your side, bow, and then we shake our hand, right? This is our promise that we're not going to hurt our partners, okay? Now, the first one that I want to cover for you guys is going to be push trap. This is from a two-handed push, okay? So the first thing that happened is Miss Line's going to go push me. Boom, when she pushes me, I'm going to take a step back. And I'm going to throw my hands up here, I'm going to look her right in the eye, nice and loud, I'm going to say, please don't push me again. Alright, now, she is not, a push, the two-handed push isn't actually hurting us. It's going to bruise our ego a little bit, but it's actually not, it's not causing us any pain, okay? So that's the reason that we're stepping back and we're asking them not to push us again before we go into just doing something that's going to hurt them. Alright, so boom, I step back, I said, please don't push me again. From here, if she goes to push me again, I'm ready this time. I'm going to anticipate her coming at me, okay? And she's going to grab, right? So as she comes to push me, I'm going to take the leg that's in front. That hand is going to grab underneath, just like this. My opposite hand is going to reach over, and it's going to grab her pinky, nice here, just nice and hard, right? I'm squeezing onto this side of her hand, and I'm hitting it against my chest. And the next thing that I'm going to do is take a step back, okay? And I'm going to bow. This is putting her in a wrist lock, okay? So you can see it's bending her wrist towards her elbow, right? From here, I'm going to step back and bow, and then I'm going to throw a knee, boom, right to the stomach as I land forward and finish in my guard, okay? And that is called push trap, okay? We'll show you what it looks like full speed from the hands up position. So go ahead. Here. And then finish, okay? Good. That's called push trap. And now the next grab that I want to cover is called single arm wrap. We're going to go all the way to the ground with this one. All right, so single arm wrap is against a single lapel grab. So Miss Lion comes up, so she grabs me one-handed lapel grab just like this, okay? Now, what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to do 2 things simultaneously. I'm going to step in so that this foot is nice and deep, right, compared to where she's standing. And I'm also going to take this hand and shoot up on the inside, right? Those 2 things happen simultaneously. Boom, once I get to here, that hand is going to wrap to the outside of my body above her elbow and squeeze in nice and tight here. I just wrapped above her elbow. My free hand is going to palm heel strike her shoulder. Boom, nice and under, right underneath the shoulder there. And then my other hand is going to grab my wrist. Okay, so this is a version of a key lock or a figure 4, right? Then from here, my inside leg, right here, is going to step through, calf on calf contact, sweep and take her to the ground. Now notice, I am still standing up. I am still on my feet. That's where you guys should land. Your opposite knee is going to come down right here on their hip. You're going to palm heel to the ear. And if you really wanted to, you could rip their arm out the socket by just rotating that way. And then you're always going to stand up and finish in your guard. Okay? One quick variation of this that I want to show. Miss Lion, if you could step back into a right side guard, please. Left side guard, as you were, good. One variation that I could throw, if she stepped in to do a big haymaker with this, with her back hand here, you could also lock here with both hands and perform the same rep, okay? It would be relatively the same, just a variation from that one. So you can practice from both. Now, the last one that I need to cover for you guys is pluck from the front. This is against a two-handed choke, pluck from the front. So what's going to happen is, Miss Lion would be choking me, not grabbing me double lapels, right? Just like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hands, cup hand strike nice and hard. Boom! I'm going to break her down just like this. And as I do that, as I pull her into my chest, I'm also going to take a knee, boom, and knee at the same time. So one more time, we call this pluck and knee. Boom! Pluck and knee at the same time. Then that leg that just threw that knee is going to step back behind. Opposite hand here is going to grab the back of the head, and I'm going to go into 3 elbow smashes. 1, 2, and then 3. And then from here, on that third one, I'm not going to drop back. I'm just going to unfold grab. So now I got her in a good, I'm grabbing her head nice and tight, and I'm pulling to 3 knees. 1, 2, and then 3. And from here, push her away, and finish in your guard. Pluck from the front, okay? All right, guys, so that is, again, beginner grabs for cycle 1. We had single arm wrap, pluck from the front, and push trap. Make sure you guys are practicing those. Remember to be good ukis. Remember that we don't want to hurt our partner. Okay? Awesome. Thank you guys for watching the video.